Hello, Harvest here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues on your Deezer app on the iOS. So first you want to do is go up to the App Store, search bar, find your app. If you get the app, go to this and you just need to update to the newest version. When the UI have the open bar, maybe you just got the update bar. Maybe you should just update. But if the issue is still popping out and you still got some problem with the app, I'll show you more ways to do this. Go to the settings, here, app, here, and go to your app here. And maybe you just don't have your language. Maybe you just don't have background app refresh, all the Siri settings. But if you have everything like me, every fabric settings, and still got the issue, the last way to fix it is go up here, just uninstall the app, and if you uninstall, just reinstall this, and everything should be fine again with the app. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.